So research chapter number 3 and halacha number 1. Ah, that's very interesting. Okay. 3 crowns were conferred upon Israel: the crown of the Torah, the crown of the priesthood, and the crown of the royalty. It's actually from Pirkei Avos, right? Aaron merited the crown of the priesthood, as Shmos 25:13 states, and it will be the eternal covenant of the priesthood from him, for him and his descendants after him. David merited the crown of royalty, as it says in Psalms 89:37. His seat will continue forever, and his throne will be the sun before me. The crown of the Torah is set aside, waiting for and ready for every Jew, for each Jew, as implied in Dvarim 33:4. The Torah which Moshe commanded us is the inheritance of the congregation of Yaakov. So meaning what? Anybody who wants and truly desires can come and take it. Whoever desires may come and take it. Whoever desires may come and take it. So that's it. Lest you say that the other crowns surpass the crowns of the Torah. Proverbs 8 verses 15 and 16 states, "By me kings reign, princes decree justice, and nobles rule. Thus we have learned that the crown of the Torah is greater than the other two." Okay, so let's do it from the beginning. This commentary, and of course there is a lot of explanations. Okay, so it says the crown, 3 crowns were conferred upon Israel: the crown of the Torah, the crown of the priesthood, and the crown of the royalty. Okay, so number 1 commentary. Similar expression was found in Yoma 72b. However, the Talmud uses the expression there were 3 diadems. I mean, I think it's very close to the crowns. Okay, the expression 3 crowns is found in the Sifri Korach and about the Rabbi Nassim. Okay, chapter 41. It may be explained that the Rambam chooses to employ this expression because of the significance of the word keser. Keser is a crown. The term also means encompass. Interesting. In the 3 halachos in this chapter, in which Rambam mentioned the expression "the crown of the Torah," Halachos 6 and 7 and 13, the Rambam describes the all-encompassing commitment to the Torah study, meaning the crown of the Torah. Hence, he uses the term crown to allude to this quality of service. Okay. So continue. Aaron merited the crown of the priesthood. Aaron merited. Number 2 commentary. The Sifri states, Aaron merited and took it. The Rambam omits the latter term, meaning they took it, right? Since the priesthood and similar royalty are not attributes that acquired by the human effort, but rather must be conveyed by God. That's what happened. HaShem actually said that the priesthood is going to go to Aaron and his sons. So it's not like he took it literally. So one more time the whole sentence. Aaron merited the crown and of the priesthood commentary. This includes 2 aspects: A, that his descendants alone will serve as a Kohanim, and B, one will be chosen as a Kohen Gadol. Okay, 2 things, very interesting. So only the sons of Aaron are Kohanim. So that's why there are not so many Kohanim. Like usually, sometimes it's maybe 1 family in a shul, 2 families. Like some shuls don't have Kohanim at all. Okay. Right, so why? Because they came from only 1 family. Okay. As it says, Shmos 25:13, and it will be the eternal covenant of the priesthood for him and his descendants after him. Okay. So meaning only his only his descendant. I mean, him. Hashem said him, his sons, and all of the new sons that are going to get born, to be born from those sons. Okay. Continue. David merited the crown of royalty, as Psalm 89:37 states. His seat will continue forever, and his throne will be a son before me. Number 5. Hilchot Melachim 1:7. The Rambam states, once David was anointed, he acquired the crown of royalty. Afterwards, the kingship belonged to him and his male descendants forever. It must be noted that in the present halacha, Rambam quote different verse from Hilchot Melachim and in what the Rabbi Nassim. I mean, for us, it does not make any difference. I mean, so we know that David took second crown. Again, it's not like it says merited the second crown, because Hashem said he's the best and want him to be a king, and all of the kings can come only from Yehuda, or only from the house of David. Okay, continue. Actually, they say from David and Shlomo. So only because he had the other sons only from Shlomo.